Pineapple has bromelain enzyme that kills pain and stops coughing 500x better than cough syrup. Pineapples are easily available in my country as it thrives in tropical climate. It resembles a large pine cone, hence its name. Its shape is oval to cylindrical with a tough spiky waxy rind. Its tough skin has many hexagonal sections, fruitlet, that looks like scale. On top of the fruit is a crown of thick pointed leaves with spines along the edges. Be very careful when handling this part of the pineapple. When ripe, its flesh is yellowish in color and gives out a nice fragrant aroma. It is a very fibrous fruit, is sweet with a tinge of acidic taste to it. Interesting fact, every pineapple has the exact same number of hexagonal sections on it, no matter the size and shape. Pineapples do not ripen much more once harvested, so it must be harvested when it is ripe, and quickly distributed to the consumer. This is why pineapples are commonly canned so that they last a little longer. But please avoid canned pineapples as these are usually soaked in sugar water. Nutritional benefits of pineapple. Pineapple is loaded with vitamin C, B1 and smaller amounts of B2, B3, B5 and B6. It is also an excellent source of manganese, copper, magnesium, potassium, beta-carotene, folic acid, and dietary fiber. Perhaps, the most outstanding feature of pineapple is its amount of bromelain content. Bromelain is an enzyme that has many uses for our body. Bromelain in pineapple has the special ability to help our body balance and neutralize fluids so that it's neither too alkaline nor too acidic. It also stimulates hormonal secretions in the pancreas that aids digestion. Health benefits of pineapple. Bromelain in pineapple is a protein-digesting enzyme which also effectively reduces inflammation and swelling. So drink fresh pineapple juice and say goodbye to all your pains. Atherosclerosis. High vitamin C content is an important nutrient for keeping the arteries free from damaging oxidants, and preventing the arteries from hardening. Blood clotting. Prevent. Pineapple juice can be taken as therapeutic to prevent blood clotting. The best of its nutrients can be obtained from the core and stems of this fruit. Bone health. The right minerals are present in pineapple that makes it a useful food for strengthening and building bones and connective tissues. Cough. The bromelain enzyme in pineapple is a powerful anti-inflammatory that kills pain and stops coughing 500x better than any cough syrup. If you've been coughing, sip freshly extracted pineapple juice, not cold, with a little sea salt added throughout the day and see what happens. Digestion. After a heavy meaty meal, drink pineapple juice, as the protein-digesting enzymes help do the extra work of digesting for you. High blood pressure. Due to its blood clotting prevention properties and high antioxidants content, pineapple juice might also be helpful to naturally lower high blood pressure. Immunity. Pineapple has a high content of vitamin C, which is a powerful antioxidant that is helpful for building and boosting the immune system. Inflammatory conditions. Pineapple juice is well known for its highly effective anti-inflammatory properties. Drinking this yellow juice may relieve sufferers of much pain in the following inflammatory conditions. Carpal tunnel syndrome, gout, rheumatoid arthritis, osteoarthritis, injuries, surgeries, etc. Respiratory conditions. Bromelain helps to break down and dissolve excessive mucus, providing much relief to sufferers of asthma, bronchitis, pneumonia, and sinusitis. It would also help tremendously if you reduced your intake of harmful foods, as mucus are formed mostly from consumption of these foods. Sore throat. Drinking pineapple juice significantly reduces the soreness and redness in the throat. Vision health. The high content of beta-carotene in this yellow fruit makes the juice beneficial as a protective drink to help prevent vision-related diseases. Consumption tips. Choose pineapples that are nicely golden with fragrant aroma and that are heavy. Check that the bottom stem is not decayed or has moldy spots. Few hours before you plan to eat the pineapple, cut off the crown and then turn the fruit upside down on a plate and leave in the fridge. The sweetness of the juice which is at the bottom of the pineapple will be nicely distributed throughout the entire fruit when turned over. If you find the taste of the pineapple to be too acidic, sprinkle a little lime on it. This will help take the acidic taste away. Cutting a pineapple is a hassle for some. Get this pineapple corer and make things easier and less messy. With this excellent tool, you will be eating more pineapple and benefit from its awesome anti-inflammatory properties. And, don't throw out the pineapple core, it is highly dense in nutrients. You can cut up the core in smaller pieces to add to your cooking to add sweetness. I put them in my fried rice, or simply save them for your juicing. To keep your cut pineapple, store it in an airtight container and soak it in its own juice. It will keep for up to 1 week in the fridge, and will retain its taste and juiciness. Cautionary note. Pineapple is very sweet and must never be taken by those who are diabetic or has low blood sugar level. If you are normally healthy, the sweetness will not pose any problem. However, if you find that it is too sweet but would still like to enjoy its goodness, by all means mix with it a little water or other less sweet juices, like green juices. Avoid canned pineapple as they're usually soaked in thick sugar water with artificial food additives to preserve them in the cans.